What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jazz. We're going to go over Solana. It's currently breaking out. We're sitting at 212. We're up about 5% on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 63.51 billion, 24-hour volume 2.17 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards for free cashback in crypto, Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 just for signing up through my referral. So Solana is currently breaking out of this ascending triangle double bottom pattern here. And your target is up at 234. Now, if you have been dollar cost averaging with these buy zones, I have dropped in a take profit zone at the previous high, but it's just for reference, guys. It's not financial advice, but that's definitely an area where we could see some resistance. However, we have broken out of this bullish pattern, and your target is up here at 234 for Sol. I'm gonna quickly pop over to the daily time frame. So look at Solana here. You can see here I pulled our fib from our May swing high down to our swing low. And we came up and we absolutely blasted through the 1.618 and we headed all the way up to the 2 before we saw a healthy correction back down to the 1.618, find support along the EMAs and see continuation. So what you can do now is take your Fibonacci here from this swing high down to this swing low to give you your target for your next impulsive wave. So you would target the 1.618 coming in at about 318. I'm just going to take this fib out. And that's normally where you're going to see your corrective wave. You have your impulsive wave, you have your corrective wave. But if Solana comes up and absolutely smashes through the 1.618 once again, do target the 2 extension, which is coming in at about 405 for Solana. So beautiful to see us break out. If we can break our all-time high, then we can head up to the 1.272 extension for Sol, which is coming in at about 260. Bitcoin is currently broken out and broke this previous high. So if we can hold this level of support, we head up to 68K and break the previous all-time high. So we're looking really, really healthy overall in the crypto market. So in the short term, guys, we have just broken out of our ascending triangle here. So we may see a little bit of a back test. Come back, we back test it as support, and then we see continuation. If we were to fall back into the pattern, I don't think it's likely here, guys, but I will drop in this level of support, previous level of resistance, which is coming in at about 204. So beautiful to see this breakout here, and it will be a juicy gain from this ascending triangle of about 11% for Sol. Once we break our all-time high, that's when we head up to the 1.272, coming in about 260. And we also have this much larger bull flag pattern here. And your target for that bull flag is coming up at 290, which is just above the 1.414 extension for Solana. So that's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. Great way to stay ahead of the game as a trader, as an investor. It's the price of a coffee, and you can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Much love. Take care.